Why you have to be made? Ah, shit! Oh no, level 3 armor! Oh no!
It'll be fine if I can get a single. Oh god, I've had no sidearm ammo this entire time.
That low? Are the hamster balls faster?
They are a little bit. They've improved acceleration and speed. This works. But it takes longer to get to that top speed in order to be a one-hit kill. That's the balance.
Gotcha. Oh, there they are. Oh, they're circling you. Oh god. That's gotta be one.
I hear a silence pistol.
Nicely done. Get his ass. Yes, sir. That's what they get.
I didn't even see that dude. That was a poor placement.
I mean, not if they don't see it. There we go. Yeah. They ain't going that way. Just throw a grenade on top of the bananas. Haha, you failed.
I think
Nice.
I think I 100% IQ'd this.
IQs aren't percentages. Oh no, they got rid of the bananas doing that.
Yeah, they did.
Wait, what? Oh no. Jolt.
Too bad. Oh no.
Come on. I wonder where they are. If you could maybe heal them. Yeah!
Get fucking shit on!
Nice.
Yes!